morning everyone, welcome back to a new daily vlog. I made myself a big iced, I don't know what it is, cappuccino, something like that with almond milk. It is not really nice weather today. I was kind of hoping to go tan because as you can see I'm extremely pale. So I wanted to catch some sun, but you know what it is, when I go sunbathing after 1 hour I'm also done, and I don't do that often, so I feel after like 2 minutes not much has happened. It's like a little grayish. Woo! Oh my god!
Fuck out.
That fits really nice. What are you guys doing?
What? I actually just put this on before. It's cold. It's very cold.
It is so cold, right? I was gonna like tan and stuff today, but actually there's something else to do. It is a giant mess in here. We took all my shoes down. To make the game a little easier, here you see all the shoes in the light. We got these like really big boxes from Home Depot. So yeah, that is going to be the plan of today. I'm gonna go through this. I'm gonna get rid of the shoes I'm not wearing. I'm gonna separate them from like winter shoes with like summer shoes. But it's kind of weird because I travel so much through different time zones and seasons that I kind of need them all the time. So yeah, I'm gonna go through this. I have a couple of pairs which I actually got from a brand to do a giveaway. You guys will see that. First, I need to wake up and then we're gonna work on this. Let's do it. Coffee numero 2. So much work here. I was thinking for shoes, I don't know if I should keep them or if I should sell them. I'm going to do a little thing on Instagram where you guys can actually help me choose which shoes I'm going to keep and which shoes I'm going to get rid of. So also, if you're not following me on Instagram yet, then I will pop it up over here. I turned my whole Instagram into film, which has been so much fun for me. I would appreciate it if you follow me there. Let's get started. We're gonna make a winter, a summer, and a sell box. What do we think? Keep or leave? I'm gonna post it on my Instagram now and see if you guys think I should keep those little boots or not. What do we think of these bad boys? Max and the boys always used to make fun of these, that they look like Skechers, but I also have to be honest, I haven't been wearing them a lot. So what do you guys think? Keep or go? What about these Jimmy Choos? Well, I was like, oh, it's not that bad, my shoes. And then I forgot I have an all other bag here. Okay, here we go. That's a lot of shoes. I'm gonna count them in a little bit and see who is the winner here. So these were the shoes I was in doubt with, and I'm actually very curious what you guys say about this. Okay, about these booties, you guys say 36% keep, 64% buy. So those are gonna go bye-bye. The Balenciaga sneakers, ooh, 73% says keep. So I love them too, but for some reason I never wear them. They're just so heavy on my foot or on my feet, and like walking around is just difficult with them. Maybe because I have like long legs too. Jimmy Choo heels, you guys say 72% keep, so probably keep them. The nude boots, 63% bye-bye. So those are gonna go bye-bye. And the tall Stuart Weitzman, 87% keep these. Okay, I put them on the go away table, but I will put them on keep. You never know. Okay, now I'm going to count all these shoes, and then I'm very curious to see how many pair I actually have. Okay guys, so I counted everything. I know how many pair of shoes I have. Just for the record, Max has 15. Question is, how many pairs do I have? And the winner is going to get some new shoes. I can show you guys which shoes. Their size, I think I have 39, I have 40, I have 38. And the shoes, they're in the box, are going to be these super cool boots from Aloha's. And I absolutely love them. I have them here on keep. But if you're guessing the right amount of shoes I have, I'm gonna send a couple of these away. Anyway, I am exhausted after cleaning up this. I am just going to take a little shower, refresh myself, put some normal clothes on, and I'm going to make some lunch and I will take you guys with. Okay, it is 12:30 right now, which means for me kind of brunch. Whenever I'm like intermittent fasting and start eating around like between 12 and 1 o'clock, I always crave something like in between breakfast and lunch. So today I want to share my coconut wraps with some avocado and egg. I'll show you guys how I make this, and I think this has been my like to-go breakfast lunch over the last few weeks. It's so simple to make and I find it so delicious. So as a base for a wrap, I actually use these coconut wraps from The Real Coconut. And I think it's very interesting because now in a lot of like natural food stores and even like at Whole Foods, you can find so many like healthy substitutions. So instead of having flour ones, I have here coconut flour tortillas, and they're super delicious and very clean. So I'm gonna grab 2 of those. They actually make really big ones too, but I prefer the little small ones who almost look like a little taco. So the first thing I put on here is again this Kite Hill dairy-free cream cheese, and it's actually made with almond milk. I think you can buy this at Whole Foods as well, otherwise online, or check out your natural food store. And I think it's so amazing how we're able now to make plant-based options without like dairy and still have this like amazing taste. So I take like a big scoop of this and I'm just adding this onto the wrap, which will be like the nice base. I'm going to add on the other one, and I like to put like quite a generous amount. So they also have different kind of flavors. I've actually never tried it. I always go for the chive, which I absolutely love. Then on top of this, I'm just adding some greens. There's some mesclun and spinach. There we go. And then we're gonna start making some eggs. I have a bowl here and I use 2 eggs. There we go. I'm just gonna scramble these. Very easy. So I like my eggs fluffy. So I'm just gonna whisk them quickly. Perfect. I'm going to add some pepper, some salt, obviously. Give it one more mix. And we're going to the stove. Okay, so over here, I warm up the pan on a medium heat. I'm going to add some coconut oil. I actually personally really enjoy the kind of coconut flavor to my eggs. Some people don't. So you can use either a little butter or like a little bit of olive oil, that's up to you. I like to use a little bit of coconut oil. So the oil is hot and I'm going to add the eggs. Everything in one. And from the beginning, I'm like slowly mixing in. So it becomes these fluffy scrambled eggs. And the trick is to not overcook this until it's completely dry. Right before it's done, we're gonna turn off the stove and then it will be perfect. That's where I turn off the stove. It's ready to be served. Okay. So I'm going to put my wraps on the plate and I'm going to add eggs to my breakfast tortillas. Obviously, you can put as much filling in here as you want. I sometimes use tomatoes, or I use like cucumbers or red bell pepper, really up to you. Today I keep it super simple. There we go. So I'm gonna add an avocado for some extra healthy fat. And these fats also keep you full. Okay, so I make a couple slices in here. And I'm adding the avocado to tortillas. So this might be a little bit of a weird combination, but I actually really love it. I'm going to add a little bit of this everything but the bagel sesame. I just got this one at Trader Joe's. I top this on top. Then I'm going to top it with a little bit of hot sauce to give this like nice extra kick. Ta-da! And my favorite brunch tortillas are ready. I sometimes have this for breakfast, sometimes for lunch, sometimes I use like the big wraps, so I really fill it up with a lot of like salad and other veggies. But this is the way to go. Super easy to make. You can actually make the coconut flour wraps yourself very easily. If you guys would like to see that in another video, then let me know in the comments down below. I would actually also love to hear from you. What are your favorite like brunch recipes? And what should I try to make next time? Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this and I'll see you guys later.
What are you making today, huh?
So I'm making stir fry with all veggies in the pan with coconut oil. And in the oven, I have some salmon.
Oh yeah.
Let's add some mushrooms. So it is dinner time right now. I packed all my boxes, look at that, or my shoes, look at that. All these pairs in there. Max, you're over there. What you doing?
Need some help.
No, I think we should just leave him up there.
Yeah, thank you for watching daily vlog today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good night.